Hello friends, all car lovers are probably annoyed by rubber bands, seals, outdoors and trunks stuck to each other. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. In winter, they freeze to each other from condensate, which accumulate in the door slot when it's warm in the car and freeze when the car cools down. And in summer, they melt to each other from high temperature. Everyone knows the solution: silicone. By smearing door seals with silicone, you can avoid freezing door in winter and melting them in summer. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.